how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening up Pendant and Charm. This is the second time I have received this box, so I'm super excited. And I also have some information to share for the company to you guys that concerns giveaways. So we're gonna go over what the box is and everything like that, open it up, talk a little bit about it, share our opinions, or I'll share mine and you guys share yours down in the comment section. I'm actually wearing the necklace I received last month. I think that is super pretty. I am loving it. So what is Pendant and Charm? So they gave me a card here that like lists everything out like so nicely, so I'm gonna use this for reference just so I don't miss any details. But Pendant and Charm, when you subscribe, you'll receive a pendant and a charm each month. $24 will be charged monthly on the 14th, and it ships free on the 19th. And they actually ship from right where I live. They're like pretty much my neighbors. They live in Naples, Florida, which is Southwest Florida, near me. So I think that's super cool, supporting local Floridians. But anyways, you can cancel at any time. All pieces are $9.25 sterling silver and nickel free. So I know that's important to a lot of people, especially the nickel free part if you have an allergy. And everyone wants good quality jewelry. So $9.25 sterling silver, that is awesome. So the first month, you will receive your pendant with a free necklace, which has a $25 value, and that is what I'm wearing today. Plus a second free pendant that is $28 in value with a free necklace, $25 in value. So you get $100 total value for only $24. So they did give me this to display my jewelry on, which I am so stoked about. This will come in handy, but I just happened to wear it today so you can actually see it on me. But if I get any necklaces today, I will definitely show you on here, and I think this is so amazing. So the first month you also get a charm for the bracelet that you will receive the third month, and here I have the bracelet in front of me to show you guys. And this is what it looks like. And when you subscribe, you do tell them your wrist size, so it is fitted for you. It's easy to get on, and it doesn't like stick to your hairs or anything like that. It's like super good quality. Hopefully you guys can tell. So the new thing, the exciting thing, the giveaway part, when you subscribe, you will be entered to win a diamond pendant set with 14 karat white gold hanging on a 14 karat white gold necklace that has a $550 value. That is insane, $550. So there will be one lucky winner every single month starting this month in September. And I do have a picture of what it looks like. Yep, picture of the pieces inside the envelope. So here is an example of the really high quality 14 karat gold strand and necklace. So every single month there's a chance to win. So that's huge. That's like, your odds are pretty high that they do it every single month. So that is everything for the first month. The second month you get a pendant and a charm. And then the third month you get a charm bracelet with a $50 value, no pendant or charm included. And then for the following months, the pendant and charm, between the 4th and 8th month, along with the pendant and charm, you'll receive this travel jewelry box and this pendant necklace display stand. So that means you guys will also get this, which is so awesome. And it's really great if you have like a nice piece, you don't want it to get all tangled up or anything, you can like leave it on display here. This is so nice. I used to have one like this a while ago, back when I like sold more things on eBay. When I moved from Chicago, it just didn't make the move, so I'm so happy to have another one. And this one's better quality than the one I had, so this is awesome. And then there is a jewelry box, and it says there's a surprise inside the travel jewelry box that members will receive as well. So this is a super compact jewelry box that zippers, so this is awesome. I have not opened it yet. Let's see if there's anything inside or if that surprise is just for you guys. There is a surprise. Oh my god, this is awesome. So when I open it up, it looks like this. I'll show you more in a second. There's something inside. So it says, "You are a queen." And it looks like there might be a surprise necklace in there. There's like so many fun surprises with this. And you guys, seriously, this stuff really is $9.25 sterling silver and like so nice, and it doesn't irritate me at all. You guys have probably noticed my chest gets really red like if I just touch it, so sometimes necklaces bother me, so I don't wear them all the time, but I've been wearing this all day and I'm fine. And I've worn it other times too. I've had it for a month now. Oh, this is so cute. So you know how it said you are a queen? This necklace has the little crown on it. So I will put that on the display stand. And it also says on here the it's made in Italy, S925, so it's telling you that it's sterling silver. So let me put it on the display stand and show you guys. I love that crown, it's so cute. And it can also give you an idea of where it falls. I think it's similar to what my necklace looks like, but this makes it so much easier to see. So I'll show you from afar and move it closer. So it hits like the perfect spot. That is so pretty. I love this. So it has some gemstones on it. Could you guys see the detail? I just want to make sure. Oh my god, you guys, my nail polish fell off one finger today, so I need to hide that. It's always the finger that like I hold things up with. I hope it's focusing, I can't really tell. And then mine has those stones like that too. So it'll hit like around here, which I think is perfect and so flattering. So this is awesome. Now let's go back to the jewelry case. So zipper, perfect for traveling. So it has like a pouch up here, so that's really nice. You can put like little earring studs or something in there. You can put like rings, other types of jewelry there, and then there's different compartments. Like this is small, but you can fit so much stuff in here. This is awesome. It's by Belando. This seems like really good quality. So again, here's the outside, and then that is awesome. So you will get this with a surprise and the jewelry stand after you're subscribed for a few months. So I love that they like give back to their loyal subscribers. Like that is awesome. You don't see many subscription companies doing that, do you? No, I don't think so. So yeah, this is such a good subscription, I think, you guys. So my very first month I got this necklace as a free gift, which you guys will as well. And then you'll get a bracelet with the charm. Oh, where's my charm? Let me show it to you. So you can put this on the bracelet. Isn't that cute? I love hearts. So yeah, so that is everything. And I forgot to mention something I absolutely love about this company is that they give back to charity. So it says here, it says 8% of their profit is donated monthly to after-school meal programs for kids from low-income homes. How amazing is that? It's helping out children in need, like families in need. Like I say this every time something like this comes up, but when I subscribe to a box or I purchase something and they give back, I just feel so much better about my purchase. And it really says a lot about the company, and 8% is a large amount. Like, I think it's great when people even give 1%, but 8% is a lot. Like, so they're giving back to their community, other communities. I think that is amazing. And I've talked to the owner of the company. They are amazing. They're such a great family. So I think this subscription is so awesome. Of course, I'm gonna link them down below in the description box if you guys are interested. And if you subscribe, every month you have the opportunity to potentially win a $550 necklace. That is awesome. Every month, it's not just 1 month. That is so cool. And it starts this month, so super exciting. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely do so if you're interested. That link will be down below. You guys, I just realized I didn't open another thing that was in my bag. Whoops. This is like the actual subscription for the month. I opened all the extra goodies and I thought that was it. I thought that was everything because it was so awesome. Oh, let me get my scissors. Oh my gosh. Like, I would edit this out and kind of replace it, but I'm not doing that because that just shows you that I was already pleased with the extra stuff. So normally your subscription comes in like a little mailer bag like this, which, you know, I appreciate mailer bags. I can't believe I almost didn't show you like the legit, like the actual subscription. I was just so happy with everything else. So here is what their jewelry bags look like. This is the same as last month. And if you missed last month's video, I'll link that down below too if you just want to check out that one and get more details too, even though I think they provide enough information for me to give a thorough overview. So let's, oh my god, this is so cute. I can't believe I almost didn't show you guys the main thing. So this is like the monthly subscription. The things I was showing you were like the bonuses for when you're a subscriber. Okay, so there's 3 things in here. Oh my gosh, I feel so silly. So here are the 3 little baggies. I'll show you them before I open it all up. It looks like there's a pretty flower charm in there. So let's see what we got. I feel awesome. All right, so the first thing I see is this beautiful charm. I should hold it up with my hand that has good nail polish on. I love flowers and I love pink. Is that focusing? Let me see if I can. Hopefully that's better, and I'm sorry about the nail. Don't focus on that, focus on the pretty charm. So this is really cool because it can go on the bracelet. See that like little hole in there? And then there's like a little flower charm on the charm. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is so cute. Let's see what's in the other bags. And these are like nice bags that they give you too to like store your jewelry in as well if you want to keep it in there. Oh my god, I love this. I'm going to switch off what necklace I'm wearing. This is so pretty. I love the color. It's like a swan with a pink gem. Oh my gosh. And again, it says the $9.25 on there. But let me show you it on the display. I just love the length of these necklaces and that the chains are good quality. You know, sometimes you like a cute necklace but then the chain itself isn't. This is so cute. I love that color. Oh my god, it's so cute. And let's look at the last thing. So this is like the September stuff I'm opening, like that I would get my normal subscription. I can't believe I just started with everything else and thought that was it. I'll stop saying that. Oh my god, this is so pretty too. You guys, they have such nice stuff. It's a flower. I love how they have different color stones on there. Or gems, whatever you would call it. Let me show it to you on this display. I love this display thing. It's so nice. So convenient. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So there's like pink gem, like some crystals, and then green. I love the colors of this. This is such a good subscription, you guys. So that was the actual stuff for the month. We had this flower pendant. Oh my god, I love it. And then we have this little like swan. And then to put on our bracelet, we have this. So pretty. I love the theme this month. Everything is so pretty. So here's what that would look like. Sometimes I can't tell if it's focusing because it's such a light color, so hopefully you guys can see. But this was such a great month. Like, this is so much stuff and so amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the details down below. Like I said, if you're interested, their website will be there. If you want to subscribe, potentially win some amazing jewelry, or just, I mean, even if you subscribe, you'll get some amazing jewelry, but if you win, you'll get even more amazing jewelry. But anyways, that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. It was so much fun. I love when I open a good subscription. I just feel like so happy and, you know, just yay, like after I open it. But anyways, enjoy your evening or day, whatever time it is where you are. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.